Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we're going to be talking about BigQuery and connected sheets. Yes, while we're on this, I'm going to run through a little bit of table of contents. We're going to be looking at what BigQuery is all about. Then we'll run from there into BigQuery in collaboration with connected sheets, and then we'll also talk about how to use connected sheets, a little bit of use cases here and there. Yeah, so my name is Kay. My role here at SADA is Google Workspace Sales Engineer, and I'm going to be taking you through this interesting session of Google Workspace in collaboration with Connected Sheets. So let's dive right into that. What is BigQuery? BigQuery is a fully managed serverless data warehouse that enables scalable analysis over petabytes of data. It is a platform as a service, what we popularly know as PaaS, that supports querying using the ANSI SQL standard. That's what BigQuery is. And then also looking at BigQuery in connection with Google Sheets. A couple of things that that can help you do is to sort and filter your data very fast. The combination of BigQuery and Google Sheets allows you to work with billions of rows of BigQuery data in Google Sheets. You can sort and filter the data so it's easier to work with. With connected sheets, employees across your organization can apply familiar sheet tools like pivot tables, charts, and formulas to big data, quickly deriving insights and reducing dependence on specialized analysts. A couple of other things that BigQuery and connected sheets can help you do is ensure a single source of truth from data analysis without additional .csv exports. You can also collaborate with partners, analysts, or other stakeholders in a familiar spreadsheet interface. Also, streamlining your reporting and dashboard workflows, comes very easy using this tool. We're going to look at uses of connected sheets with BigQuery. Here you can access, analyze, visualize, and share billions of rows of data from your spreadsheet with connected sheets using the new BigQuery data connector, and that's what we're going to be seeing during our short demo. Right here on the screen, you can see what this spreadsheet on my screen looks like. If you kind of try to do the connection, yours should look exactly as what I have on my screen. So this screen I have here is the sample data we are actually using right now, but during our demo we're going to be looking at a different sample data for our demonstration. So let's dive right into that. Alright, so right here you can see a blank spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet, that I've titled sample data. So this is what we're talking about. Here you can actually go ahead to connect this spreadsheet to using a connector to the BigQuery. So if you go to data right here, at the very bottom you'll see data connectors. Then you move to the right, you see connect to BigQuery. Just click on that. Then we're going to work with a couple of public data. I'm going to click on company backups here, public data set. Then we can kind of query around to look for the particular data that you're going to be working with. So you can see a couple of data sets that actually showing below here underneath. So I'm going to look for something around food. So FDA food. So food events. Now I'm going to connect this data set into my spreadsheet. So you can see what's going on, connecting the data. And right now I've been able to connect this to my Google Sheets. So right now you can see 92,000 rows and 12 columns have actually been showing on my screen right now. So that kind of shows about billions of cells of data on this spreadsheet. So you can see how successful this is. I didn't have to write any code or work with automated scripts to get this done. It's just a little bit of clicks here and there, leveraging on the power of BigQuery and connected sheets. So I'm going to click here, get started. So you can see the data. So you can view it to see the different columns, all of the things that you've been able to pour out on this spreadsheet. When you get to this point, you can also go ahead and filter your data. You can see on this column where I have products, you can filter this way. You say you want to filter by a particular condition. When you drop down there, you see a couple of conditions that you can leverage on. So if you want your search or your filter to contain certain words or information, so you put in the value there. So here I'm going to say water. Type in water there. Then I'm going to click on apply. So you can see it returns a couple of rows for me with information from this report that contains water. So this is how you filter your data, and then you can actually analyze as much as you want. So thank you for taking your time to go through our session with us today. If you want to learn more about BigQuery and connected sheets and other Google services, you can reach out to us here at SADA. You can reach out to our email, our sales email, googlesales@sada.com, or you go to our website, sada.com, and then you can fill out certain forms to, put in your questions there, and we'll get right back to you. Thank you, and enjoy a big data experience. Bye for now.